I am truly delighted to be here in Yola, and I must state carefully and expressively that I am grateful for the warm reception, the joy in the heart of the people. The stage appeared virtually locked down, celebrating and happy. Thank you, Mr. Governor. We are reflecting a true commitment of a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. You are truly a reflection of who we are as a people united to achieve for our great nation. Human Infantry have seen tremendous amount of renewal, commitment from you, and investment in education of our children. And I commend your vision and commitment to development of Adamawa State. Your statement is clear. We work together for the glory today, tomorrow, and thereafter, investing in the people and making sure that we as a nation can build together a very happy family and a tremendous unity of achievement. Your projects that I've commissioned today cut across sectors of human and institutional development, model schools that will shape the minds of our children. Investment in that kind of project is an investment in education today and tomorrow, and building a weapon against poverty. Thank you. The 8-lane road and underpass that will ease mobility and stimulate commerce, a modern high court that strengthens the administration of justice, and the new governor's office. I didn't want to come down. It's so beautiful, relaxing, and gorgeous. It is wonderful that you are a man who lives better than you met it. Thank you very much for living it in much better shape. You inspire people to work hard, to develop a state and our country. As you invest in education as the greatest weapon against poverty, I must salute you. I must salute your infrastructure vision as integral economic growth. I will always think about today to say a road connects people to markets, farmers to buyers, and community to opportunities. The 8-lane road and underpass we just commissioned today will not only improve traffic flow within the metropolis, but also unlock the new economic opportunities and enhance safety and attract private investment. I'm glad when you were enumerating the cost of this project, you didn't say you have failed to pay or borrow to pay the salaries of your workers. That is the consequence of us working together. And we will achieve more. Macroeconomic success we will achieve for this country. We are investing heavily in agriculture, human development capital. We must be able to feed ourselves, feed the country. Thank you, Umaru. While we continue to encourage our governors, many of you are here present. I don't have to mention you one by one, but I must say the solidarity that exists between the federal government and subnationals is extremely encouraging. Things that I don't have to remind you you're doing. You are carrying the people along. Please continue to do so. This is the only profitable investment in democracy. The reward of this investment is for people to be included, for us to eliminate every ramification of poverty in our society. I've seen hope in the faces of the people, of many children lying along the street and the route coming from the airport. I feel greatly elated and at home. Umaru Fintri, thank you very much for the inspiration and commitment to humanity. Adamawa will continue to flourish. To the chiefs and all the title chiefs, to the traditional leaders, to religious faith leaders, I thank you for keeping the peace. Working together with Adamawa, working in harmony with one another, encouraging the spirit of togetherness. It is not easy to endure macroeconomic changes and the dynamics in our politics. But I thank all of you. I equally must not forget to say that we are grateful to the Nigerian Armed Forces for their commitment to liberate Nigeria from banditry and insurgency. Together, we will win. Thank you very much. We continue to encourage our governors. We will call on citizens to continue to offer them maximum cooperation in developing their states and the country at large. as your leader, I am assuring you of my continuous service and sacrifice. Nigeria is ours to develop. Once again, thank you very much. I am a very happy man.
Mr. President, I welcome you and your entourage to Yola. On behalf of the government and the good people of Adamawa State, we are honored to receive you on your first official visit to the state. We appreciate wholeheartedly the privilege of having you here today to commission a few of our projects, which include the Yola Model School, which is one of the 21 model schools built across the 21 local government areas of the state. This project cost us 24.8 billion naira. The 8-lane garage expanded Galadima Aminu Way with overhead bridge, underpass and roundabout, and the dualized Gimba Road, which are all reinforced with concrete storm water drains on both sides, which equally cost us 15.6 billion naira. The expanded and remodeled State High Court Complex A and B cost us 5.5 billion naira. And the newly constructed automated gate and office complex here in the government house, which cost us 6.3 billion naira respectively. Other projects include a massive shopping mall, ongoing 80% completion, A11 flyover, Mobi flyover, the International Conference Center ongoing, and the International Stadium, etc. Mr. President, the ceremony we have performed today is a symbolic demonstration of what we have achieved across sectors and across the state. For instance, as we commission the model school today, it adds to the giant strides we are already making in the education sector to connect these model schools, which are basic centers. We are completing 3 brand new boarding mega science and technical schools across the 3 senatorial districts of the state. We are already employing 5,000 teachers to power the schools to optimum performance. The road project is part of our infrastructural and urban renewal campaign, which is aimed at bathing and Adamawa State with a mega capital city, which houses all the municipal trappings that can open up the state to investors and deliberately produce semi-urban centers that will serve as excellent cosmopolitan withholding hubs for containment of rural-urban drift. This is already happening, and the vision is coming full cycle. We have invested hugely in the small towns water scheme, and I speak to you, Your Excellency. Today we are subduing water scarcity in the state and quenching the thirst of our people with delight. Mr. President, we invited you to Adamawa State to do more than project commission. It is to appreciate you for what you are doing for Nigeria. It's to make you relate firsthand with the result of your policy in the country. Your proper grasp of the tenets of federalism and the need to devolve more resources and responsibilities to the sub-national government is solely the reason behind our performance and achievement. From here, Mr. President, we shall do us favor of formally breaking the ground for the new President Ahmed Bola Tinubu Permanent Orientation NYC camp, which has already started and is built to cost us 7.5 billion naira. The camp is going to be constructed by the Adamawa State government and will form part of our modest symbol of gratitude to Mr. President and the Federation. This is to say thank you, sir. Thank you for your courage even in the face of the rantings of adversaries and political antagonists. We are today because you dare to take the microeconomic routes you took. Mr. President, as a government was aren't enough to show our gratitude for what you do for Nigeria, we must match it with work, not only for you, the country, but also for our people. In doing so, we have developed the courage to embark on projects hitherto seen as exclusive reserve of the federal government. We have constructed federal roads and bridges such as the 13-span bridge at Shua, 4-span bridge at Hembla, 3-span bridge at Wurangandi, in addition to numerous culverts, roads, washout along Mararaba, Mubi, Michka, Maiduguri Road. We have also constructed embankment washout at Gamu Bridge along Ganye Tongo Federal Highway. In addition to all this, we have equally thought it wise to provide befitting accommodation for law school students at the Nigerian Law School campus in Yola by constructing and furnishing 4 hostel buildings, which is aimed at aiding the school to expand the number of admissions into the campus. Upon your concern about the security situation in the Northeast and graciously approval for the re-establishment of military formation in Mubi, we have renovated the dilapidated Army barracks quarters and drainages with 3 culvert cells at the Army formation to provide befitting accommodation for officers and men of the armed forces. Mr. President, we have gone all out to embark on this project and indeed to do more, knowing fully well that the task of nation building is a collective one. We believe firmly that if there is any time that we desire a bridge that strengthens our partnership with the national government to deliver shared prosperity, security, and inclusive growth for our people, that time is now. The hallmark of leadership is courage, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, however expensive a garment is, it only makes a sense when it is shredded with scissors and tailored to fit the body. Mr. President, you are Nigeria's best tailor. Continue to have the courage to make the toughest decision for the good of the country. Do not waver. Do not falter. Beyond politics, governance is about the people and service to fatherland. We are with you. Our people are with you. Adamawa State is with you. All the way. All the time. Thank you and God bless you.